Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this Get Your Guide review, along with special offers, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Get Your Guide, a comprehensive booking platform review and usage experience. Get Your Guide is a premier online platform designed to connect travelers with unforgettable activities, tours, and experiences across the globe. Whether you're searching for a guided walking tour, an immersive local excursion, tickets to a must-see museum, or a truly unique adventure, Get Your Guide streamlines the entire planning and booking process, putting everything you need in one convenient location. One of Get Your Guide's most compelling features is its incredibly diverse selection of offerings. With over 60,000 activities available in destinations worldwide, the platform caters to every type of traveler. Families seeking engaging adventures, thrill seekers craving outdoor excitement, and culture enthusiasts exploring historical sites will all find something to pique their interest. From classic city tours and skip-the-line access to major attractions to hands-on cooking classes and beyond, Get Your Guide offers a vast array of choices to suit every budget and preference. The platform boasts intuitive search and filtering tools, empowering you to quickly refine your options based on specific criteria such as location, price range, activity duration, and even customer reviews. Each listing provides comprehensive details about the experience, including vivid photographs, clear pricing information, and a user-friendly rating system, enabling you to make well-informed decisions before booking. Furthermore, Get Your Guide offers free cancellation on many of its experiences, providing valuable flexibility should your travel plans change unexpectedly. The Get Your Guide mobile app enhances the booking and management experience even further. With the app, you can effortlessly view your bookings, access digital tickets, and receive real-time updates about your activities, all directly from your smartphone. This feature is especially beneficial for travelers on the go, providing unparalleled convenience and accessibility. Get Your Guide is the ideal platform for travelers who want to elevate their trips with truly memorable experiences. The platform's extensive range of activities, combined with transparent pricing and authentic user reviews, guarantees you'll find the perfect experience tailored to your individual interests. In summary, Get Your Guide stands out as a leading platform for booking activities and experiences worldwide. Its expansive selection, flexible booking options, and user-friendly interface make it the ultimate choice for travelers seeking to maximize their travel adventures. Click the links in the description to explore Get Your Guide and begin planning your next unforgettable journey today.